One of the most hidden truths most millionaires don't want you to know is that getting rich doesn't require flashy cars, Instagram selfies, or huge announcements on social media. In fact, most studies have shown the quieter you are, the richer you'll become. You've probably seen these people, successful, wealthy, yet never boasting or bragging about it. Their bank accounts are growing, while others around them are stuck in the rat race. So what's their secret? How do they stay rich without anyone noticing? By the end of this video, you'll see the shocking truth behind how millionaires stay secretly rich. And more importantly, how you can apply these hidden strategies today to start building your own silent fortune. And listen carefully, because these are secrets that if you can master them, I promise it'll change the way you think about wealth forever. Not only that, but we're going to break it down into 6 steps explaining how millionaires stay rich in ways that most people don't even realize. And here's the best part. All it takes from you is one mindset shift to begin building your own wealth, silently and powerfully. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. Step 1. The power of silence. Let's start with a story. Imagine you're at a dinner party. You know the type, luxurious with well-dressed people and seemingly perfect lives, but there's one person at this party who doesn't make a scene. While others are talking about the latest investment tips, boasting about vacations, and showing off expensive gadgets, this person is strangely quiet. They sit back, observing, listening, and offering only occasional insightful comments. You'd never guess that this individual is one of the wealthiest people in the room. In fact, they probably own more than half of the properties in this city. The truth is, millionaires don't need to announce their wealth. They don't want or need the recognition of their peers or complete strangers. Their wealth speaks for itself. When you're financially free, you don't need to prove anything to anyone. This is their first secret. Millionaires stay quietly rich because they know that wealth is not about showing off. It's about creating value and letting the results speak for themselves. The silent approach is powerful, but focusing on long-term growth rather than short-term attention, millionaires build real sustainable wealth. This is why you don't see them constantly posting their latest purchases or bragging about their bank accounts. They understand the true value of quiet, behind-the-scenes work. Now, I've only revealed step 1 so far. Pay attention, because step 2 will be one of the most important decisions you'll have to make before you can truly understand how true wealth is created. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Step 2. The importance of investing in assets, not liabilities. Now, let's dig into a concept that's at the core of staying secretly rich. Investing in assets, not liabilities. Most people think that getting rich is about earning a big paycheck or winning the lottery, but the reality is, it's about buying assets that make you money over time. That's why millionaires focus on buying things like real estate, stocks, and other appreciating assets instead of things like cars, clothes, or other liabilities that lose value as soon as they're bought. Take a moment and think about this. What do you spend most of your money on? If it's on things that lose value quickly, then you're working against your wealth-building goals. Let me tell you about someone I know. Let's call him John. John was a regular guy, just like many of us, working a 9-to-5 job. But John understood something that most people didn't. Instead of using his income to buy material things, he focused on building his asset portfolio. Over the years, he purchased investments like rental properties, stocks, and other assets that generated passive income. While everyone else was out spending on new cars and vacations, John was investing in things that would grow his wealth over time. Eventually, John didn't need to work anymore. His assets provided him with enough income to live the life he wanted without ever needing to rely on his paycheck. Today, John is living in a beautiful home, driving a modest car, and enjoying the freedom to do what he loves, all while his money keeps working for him. John's secret was simple. Buy assets that pay you, and you can do the same. The real wealth comes when your money works for you, not when you're working for money. Step 3. The power of financial education. Another key secret that many millionaires understand is the importance of financial education. This is where things get interesting. Millionaires aren't necessarily smarter or luckier than the average person. They just know something most don't: how to make money work for them. They invest in their knowledge, they read books, attend seminars, and hire financial advisors. They understand that financial freedom doesn't come from being busy. It comes from being strategic. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah came from a humble background. She didn't grow up with a silver spoon in her mouth, and she certainly wasn't born into wealth. But she had something that set her apart: a relentless desire to learn. Every free moment Sarah had, she was devouring books on personal finance, real estate, and investing. She went from a job as a secretary to owning multiple rental properties and launching a successful online business. Today, she's worth millions, simply because she spent years educating herself on how money works. Millionaires understand that the more you know, the more you can do with your money. If you want to stay rich quietly, investing in financial education is one of the smartest things you can do. At this point, you may think you know everything, but watching this video alone is not enough. We've invested countless hours on this channel breaking down the habits and investment strategies for building generational wealth. Go through and watch our playlist to get up to speed after you finish watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Step 4. Patience and the power of time. Let's talk about something that most people overlook when they think about getting rich: the power of patience. Most people want quick results, and they're constantly chasing the next big thing. They want to invest in something and see an immediate return. But millionaires understand that wealth is built over time, by consistently making smart choices and sticking with them. Think about Warren Buffett. The Oracle of Omaha didn't get rich overnight. He invested in solid companies, held those investments for decades, and let time do its work. While everyone else was jumping from one trend to the next, Buffett stayed the course. Today, he's one of the richest men in the world, but he's never been in a rush to make his fortune. He's always been in it for the long haul. This is where you need to shift your mindset. Getting rich isn't about timing the market or chasing trends. It's about consistency, patience, and allowing time to work in your favor. Step 5. Creating multiple streams of income. One of the best-kept secrets of wealthy individuals is the concept of multiple streams of income. Millionaires never rely on just one source of income. They diversify. They create passive income streams, whether it's through investments, businesses, royalties, or other means. The more income streams you have, the less reliant you are on any one source, and the more financial freedom you'll have. Take the example of Emily. Emily was an entrepreneur who built a thriving online business, but instead of stopping there, she started investing in real estate. She also began writing books, earning royalties on the side. Soon, she was receiving income from multiple channels without doing any additional work. Emily's wealth didn't come from just one successful business. It came from multiple streams of income that allowed her to build wealth effortlessly over time. Here's the takeaway. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Create as many streams of income as possible and let them work together to build your wealth silently. Now, after all of these steps you've learned to this point, if you don't implement this next concept, then everything you've learned in this video will not have much of an effect on your life. Please take note and pay attention. Subscribe to the channel to help spread the word. Step 6. The mindset of wealth. Ultimately, what sets millionaires apart is their mindset. They think differently. They focus on abundance instead of scarcity, opportunity instead of limitation. They embrace the idea that wealth is not something to be chased, but something to be attracted to. They know that success isn't about luck, it's about mindset. This mindset allows them to take risks others wouldn't dare take. It allows them to see opportunities in every corner of the world while others see roadblocks. And it's this mindset that allows them to stay secretly rich, with wealth that grows exponentially over time. If you want to be rich, you need to start thinking like the wealthy. Shift your mindset from I can't to I will. And remember, wealth comes from a mindset of possibility. Find your path to silent wealth. So, how do millionaires stay secretly rich? They do it by staying silent about their wealth, investing in assets, educating themselves on money, being patient, creating multiple streams of income, and most importantly, adopting the right mindset. Now it's your turn. You don't need to be loud to be rich. You don't need to flaunt your success. What you need is a clear strategy, the right education, and the patience to let time do its work. If you start applying these secrets today, you'll find yourself on a path to wealth that most people will never even know exists. The power to get rich is in your hands. You just need to take the first step. And remember, wealth doesn't need to be loud, it just needs to be smart. So are you ready to start building your secret wealth? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to build your financial freedom, quietly and powerfully. In fact, since most of our subscribers are curious, we've created a step-by-step breakdown on exactly why millionaires like Warren Buffett and Jeff Bezos never talk about money. The reason might actually surprise you, so make sure to watch this video. Just click the video on the screen now, and we'll see you in the next one.